Analyzing data. Origin established. Reading entry code from distant galaxy. Old destination, Earth. Earth temperature compromised. Earth temperature compromised. Code scanning complete. This code seems to be a program.
In the year 2040, the Elohim Council and all the elements of the universe has combined together to create a new breed of humans.
Now you've heard of mutants, superhumans, even mega-humans. Well, this story is about chosen. A chosen set of people with remarkable powers and abilities.
This is the year 2040, and this is my story.
Hi, Xayma!
Hi, Pat.
All I need is love, my baby. All I need is love, oh love. All I need is love, my baby. All I need is love, oh love. All I need is love, my baby. All I need is love.
Come on, let's move like this.
Oh yeah.
Come on.
All I need is love,
Come on,
my
Xayma.
baby.
Let's move like this.
All I need is love.
Hey, what happened to you?
I don't know, I keep having this weird dream that it's almost not a dream, it's like a memory, but it's weird. I don't know, something about me being in Africa and this big massacre, black people dead, there's blood everywhere.
You have to try and relax and take your mind off the fate of the world. We were managing just as well while you were in that coma.
You know, say you're right, I really do need some R&R.
And some M&Y.
What's M&Y?
Me and you.
Oh, Yeah.
Morning, morning, morning. Brought it on me alone.
Well, it's 9 o'clock in Vineyard Town. It is very hot to my mind.
Wait, are they wrong, Skip? I just feel say all of the producer them they get fired. Look how them change up the set. I don't even know where to sit. I am the greatest. I'm the greatest at standing. But seriously, folks, the time is getting dreadfully hotter. And please, remember to preserve our trees. Our trees means cooler air and enough more oxygen. See, I know this. I'm bright. Be careful while you're on the road. Wear your sunscreen. Try to protect yourself from the heat. And please, do dispose of your garbage responsibly. I don't know. I'm the greatest. I'm just the greatest. No, the producer said,
Make it harder for Neville. I heard that clearly.
but it's just you should don't know how great I am. I am the greatest dancing presenter ever of all times. Don't it soft, man?
Mobile, Portmore, Spanish Town, Arnett Garden, Tivoli Jungle, Rima. Come on, we can do better. The time is getting hotter. Too much crime and violence in here.
Yes, he might walk amongst the people as a symbol of hope.
I want to like him when I grow big.
Make it move, make it groove. Make it move, make it groove. Make it move, make it groove.
Come on.
Them just slavery abolished, but that's a mystery. You're enslaved by your heart and corrupt history. Oh, you walk around and kill me. You kill the man, you kill the woman, kill everybody. Every day you want it just like a menstruation. You don't hear that you are killer of your whole nation. Them say blood on your shoulder, but you have it on your hand. Stop, think you know right from wrong.
It is so hot, I ain't got a fade. I can make the earth rage.
Come on. Yeah.
It is so hot, I ain't got a fade. I can make the earth rage. Make it move, make it groove.
Come on. Yeah.
Make it move, make it groove. Make it move, make it groove. Make it move, make it.
All I'm hearing now, click, 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 boom, give me a room, give me a room. That's the sound of the underground taking the toll of all the dead brothers and unborn souls. Let's take a stroll down memory lane. Remember our fathers who were buried in pain, inflicted by slavery again and again. But we rose up as the time got closer. Black became free and white was up.
How would that fling this everlasting rockstone by my house top when me a listen music?
No, man, this a carelessness. What the hell I go on here, so? Seriously, my youth. Come in now. Where I go?
May I go down the road, your driver?
But you're not afraid? Me might be a serial killer.
No, that's not possible.
Why you say that?
Chances of 2 serial killers in the same car at the same night, that's not possible.
Do you like this one? Happy Independence.
Oh, yes.
Does that mean you like it? Can I order it? Hey!
hit has been placed on the head of our beloved Jamaican. This is an act of shared desperation coming out of the criminal underworld. In the weather this evening, the temperature has reached a massive high. And get this, even the birds are affected as flocks of them are spotted flying around, as if they rain proof.
Jamaican has lifted our spirits once again in aiding in the celebration of our 60th Golden Jubilee. Happy 60th Jamaica, the land we love.
Dance, everybody I go dance, dance, them just go dance. Everybody I go dance, dance, them just go dance, dance, everybody I go dance, dance, them just go dance. Everybody I go dance, dance, them just go dance, dance, everybody I go dance, dance, them just go dance. Oh yeah, dance, dance, them just go dance, dance, everybody I go dance, dance, them just go dance. Oh, dance, dance, them just go dance. Them just go dance. Everybody I go dance, everybody I go dance, them just go.
Hi babes, that was a great performance. It was well received by the general population. The people have really come together tonight to celebrating our 60th anniversary of independence. Wow, that's a great look.
Yeah, I'm really pleased with the turnout. And our togetherness has really kept the crime rate down for the past 3 years.
That's great news, isn't it? I can say once more that I'm a proud Jamaican. I'm feeling a little tired. I hope you don't mind me going home before your final finale at the waterfront.
No, that's okay. As soon as I'm finished, I'm heading home myself.
Xayma.
Rotted. Not again.
That one year I go take you in the bend. I make me you one out of me. Step and make like swim. All them things they new to me. How are you a defend? When your life it you go do to me. Pulling at the pen. Pull the do and just say move to me.
Nice night for a walk. This dream, it's almost like a sign. Why was I granted all these powers if not to save people?
And what that? A Jamaican down there.
Jamaican. What the purpose of all this?
Are you aware that there's a $300 million bounty on your head?
The man is like a god.
We there to collect.
This activity is a bit dangerous, don't you think? Walking alone at night without an escort can get you killed.
Hey boy,
darkness is coming.
Enough with the darkness, rude boy. Look into the light.
We're not again, Jamaican. Count on it.
There is no doubt that tunnel lead to a Condoleezza's lair, but we can't risk storming it. We need more info.
So we can't do nothing.
Now I'm glad that's over.
It's just begun.
We not in right mind with that one Jamaican dead.
I have something that I know will help.
Come get me the Guardian. I think I know who's trying to kill Jamaican.
I'm looking 500 light years away and there's a second sun approaching our solar system. As it turned out, Demon might be right. The chemical composition in the water is reacting to something in the atmosphere. It is worth checking out.
Wait, Xayma, where you go?
Me I go catch a wormhole. Me don't want to burn out myself before me reach that rogue sun.
Xayma, say again? You go.
I was right. The star is moving at a rapid pace.
That's impossible. You have a gravitational pull that is equal to my own. Things are easily attracted to you.
What can I say? I'm Jamaican.
And I, Jamaican, am
Re, as in the sun god. But how are you able to talk? touch him, I swear. You miss me?
You are beginning to annoy me, Jamaican.
You'll get used to it.
Your ignorance is something I can never get used to. I temporarily decoded half the population of your planet using a minute solar flare. Just to destroy you, Jamaican. And yet again, here you are standing before me.
So it was you. I must give Demon the credit. Get back!
Your little light show don't scare me, human. I have over 3 trillion bombs going off on the surface alone. Yes, keep on running. When I'm through with you, it's going to be your precious planet. I am going to cook every living being on that planet alive.
Telepathically read. You chat too much.
What's going on? I felt that.
That's good to know. I wasn't aware you were the coward type, Ree. No, sir. Gone silent all of a sudden. This is just like a blood vessel, and I'm guessing that's the heart. So up it is.
The Jamaican has arrived. Welcome to the center of the sun. Tell me the truth. It is cooler than expected, right? Tell me the truth.
Well, you haven't exactly been giving me the grand tour, but I'll let it slide as your head is hot and everything right now.
But look at you, this red-headed Jamaican Rastaman. Privileged, enjoying the best of both worlds. Son of an ancient bloodline, with powers that only gods should wield. Always trying to remain pure, trying to save everyone. Do you think you are special? There were many before you who possessed the power of Elohim, the power of the sun. But they also failed. They couldn't stop the onslaught of slavery and other cruelties your kind undergo. Just as you can't stop me now, Jamaican. Your kind was the most intelligent, the fittest of all the humans and Homo erectus. The first to create dwellings like the aliens who settled on your planet. But like the greed for wealth, the greed for abundant knowledge poisoned their minds, and they turned on themselves. Not even the Jamaican before you could save them from themselves. So they were divided amongst themselves and used, then murdered by other races. Disgust with the outcome of the people he swore to protect. Your predecessor flew away and was never seen again. So don't think they will hold it against you if you abandon them too.
My name is Xayma Cross. I'm a Jamaican defender, so your mind control won't work on me. Yoga meditation paid off. what you talk about?
Man a Jamaican in a rude boy. I was born in the heat. What are you doing? By destroying me, you'll destroy yourself. I can live with that. Long run shot catch. I will be back. That will be on you. You know which part me I go there.
We thank you, Jamaica.
We thank you, Jamaica. With all our hearts.
We thank you, Jamaica. With all our hearts. We thank